Hi, this is Jason Case from Case Snow Management. We are just currently driving through Providence. We have over a foot of snow on the ground right now. This is very comparable to the blizzard of 1978. Cities and towns having a very hard time keeping up with this event. Companies like National Grid and Comcast are servicing the best that they can, as well as Case Snow Management is, and we are having a hard time keeping up with it. It's coming down about 3 to 4 inches per hour, and we still are hearing the worst is yet to come. The storm we're in right now is this blizzard conditions, complete whiteout. We can't see anywhere we're going more than probably 20 feet ahead of us. Side roads are completely inaccessible. Other parts of the highways are inaccessible. The reason is it's just falling too fast. We can't seem to be keeping up with the amount of snowfall. The plows can only really push so much. You need really heavy duty equipment to try to push this kind of snow, and there's only so much you can do. We're informing all crews to fill up as much as possible, keep their equipment topped off. We're also informing them to concentrate on areas that are important: fire hydrants, access, entry, front sidewalks. And it's important to keep up with this so guys aren't having to push a foot of snow. They can keep up with it every 3 to 5 inches. That's down the street. You can see the street lights, city plows, highway plows. Anything you drive down the street is going to have a hard time with visibility. Case Snow Management is certainly a company that has been trained to fight this type of weather, this type of snowfall, and we're just going to do our best to keep up with it.